Hi, this is Shane with the Rational Trader. Just a quick review tonight. I don't have too much time. It's the 20th Monday. I chose to go with the normal model with 2 contracts and a 10-tick stop this week, even though I got nicked a lot last week. That's based on some analysis I did over the weekend. So let's see how that played out. We start here at 645-ish. We should take a short right there on that pullback to the value area low. Gets 5 points and then 3.5 on the trail. You can see here it's going to kind of bounce off that level before it finally does roll over. I don't get a signal in here, which is really unfortunate. Fall. That 187 there is in a too aggressive long, so we don't take that. Here is a long, so we advance, pull back, and get long here, just enough to move the stop to entry -5. So take a 5-tick loss there. Market's still falling here below the value area low. Now we're back. Now so much trading has occurred down at this level that the value area low moves down to the low of the day. It looks like. Let's see. So we get okay. So here's a nick. This is a little painful. So we get long right there. You get just enough to move stop to entry -5, and then you get tagged right there before it goes up. So that's one problem. But this is the only time I saw it today. The market was not crazy, so I was encouraged that my choice to stay with 2 contracts and a 10-tick stop would be okay. Let's see. So we get short here, bumping up against. I actually like that. That's a nice looking short, actually. Unfortunately, the market's going to break higher. Then we get long. So again, this is what I really like about the machine doing all this, is that there's no emotion here in that decision. So that makes 5. And then, okay, so then we add up here. And so that ends, the add and the second contract just scratch out since there's no continuation. So we just made 5 there. And then another long here that gets, again, not quite enough to get first target, but enough to move stop to entry -5. So lose a little there. This is a long here that takes a full loss, 10-tick loss. The market's just gonna thrash sideways here till the close. Yeah, okay. So this is the right thing to be doing. Either that looks to me like it's one of these 2-stage pullbacks. So I actually like this. I like the location. In this case, though, the market just kind of grinds sideways. So my result for the day was -70. ES real quick. I haven't looked at this at all, so I don't know what happened here. There's lots of extra colors on this chart since we're doing some debugging. This is a 3-tick range bar chart, all inside the value area here. 7 o'clock news right there. Stuff that's too aggressive here. Don't get filled there. Okay, so then here we take a short and get to first, target move. So moves to entry -2 and take a loss. And then back inside the value area to the top. This kind of area, this worries me up here, where you're straddling the value area like this. In this case, you're so close to the point of control that it doesn't matter until you just kind of briefly pop up there. Take a full loss there. That looks like it's going to break through, so that's why the system's going get long. And then it tries it again. What is it doing here? Okay, it tries to get long here, gets just enough to get to entry -2. And then gets stopped out and gets short. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it gets 6 ticks. So same thing, another entry -2. So not quite enough to get the first target, which is +8. And that's it. So -5 points there. So a bunch of little kind of mouse bites. And then down here is an experimental model in the NQ. I don't have time to go over tonight. Did a little bit better, 1.5 better than the regular model.